Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me for part 3 of my 4-video fall decorate with me series. I hope that you guys have been enjoying the series so far, and I hope that you guys will enjoy this video. Today I am going to be sharing with you how I have decorated our dining room. So as always, let's just jump right in and get started. Alright you guys, so that about does it for my decorate with me in the dining room. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and found a little fall and autumn inspiration. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the like button. And I hope you join me for tomorrow's video, which is the final video in my 4-video series, and we will be decorating the family room. So I hope to see you all tomorrow, and until then, take care. Bye!